Electric cars that shocked the auto industry. Not long ago, electric cars were seen as slow, limited, and years away from replacing traditional vehicles. Then a handful of game-changing machines arrived and completely changed the conversation. From record-breaking acceleration and groundbreaking range to revolutionary technology and unexpected performance, these EVs forced the entire automotive industry to rethink the future. These are the electric cars that shocked the auto industry. Tesla Roadster. Before the Tesla Roadster arrived, most people viewed electric cars as slow, boring, and limited. Then this little sports car changed the conversation completely. At a time when EVs were mostly associated with efficiency experiments and low-performance commuter vehicles, Tesla introduced something few expected: an electric car that was genuinely exciting to drive. The Roadster proved that battery-powered vehicles could deliver real performance instead of simply saving fuel. Its compact design was based on a lightweight sports car platform, giving it an appearance that felt sporty rather than futuristic. From the outside, there was little indication that this small Roadster would become one of the most important vehicles in modern automotive history. Power came from an electric motor paired with a lithium-ion battery pack, producing around 248 horsepower and approximately 273 pound-feet of torque. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.9 seconds, reach a top speed near 125 miles per hour, and weighed roughly 2,700 pounds. The performance figures alone attracted attention, but what truly shocked the industry was the range. The Roadster demonstrated that an electric vehicle could travel far beyond what most people thought possible at the time, forcing competitors to reconsider their assumptions about battery technology. More importantly, it changed public perception. Automakers that once ignored EV development suddenly realized the future might arrive faster than expected. Investors, engineers, and competitors all started paying closer attention. The Tesla Roadster didn't dominate the market with massive sales numbers. It shocked the auto industry because it proved electric cars could be desirable, fast, and worth taking seriously. 9. Tesla Model S. The moment the Tesla Model S arrived, the automotive industry realized electric cars were no longer a niche experiment. Before its launch, many manufacturers believed EVs would remain small city cars with limited appeal. Tesla challenged that idea by introducing a luxury sedan that combined long range, advanced technology, and performance capable of competing with established premium brands. Its design looked clean, modern, and surprisingly conventional compared to many futuristic concepts. That decision helped attract buyers who wanted cutting-edge technology without sacrificing everyday practicality. The spacious cabin, minimalist dashboard, and massive touchscreen immediately made many competitors feel outdated. One of the most influential versions, the Model S Plaid, uses a tri-motor electric powertrain, producing around 1,020 horsepower and approximately 1,050 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 1.99 seconds, reach a top speed near 200 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 4,800 pounds. What truly shocked the industry wasn't just the acceleration. It was the combination of performance, range, software updates, charging infrastructure, and advanced driver assistance technology, all packaged into a practical family sedan. Traditional automakers suddenly found themselves competing against a company that approached vehicles more like technology products than conventional cars. Over-the-air updates, large-scale battery innovation, and software-focused development forced the entire industry to rethink its future strategy. The Model S didn't simply prove electric cars could succeed. It forced some of the world's biggest manufacturers to completely change their plans. 8. Nissan Leaf. Not every car shocks the industry with incredible speed. Sometimes the biggest surprise comes from making new technology accessible to millions of people. When the Nissan Leaf launched, most electric vehicles were either expensive experiments or low-volume projects. Nissan took a different approach by creating one of the first mass-produced EVs designed for ordinary drivers, making electric mobility available on a scale the industry had never seen before. Its compact hatchback design prioritized practicality over futuristic styling. The spacious cabin, easy-to-drive nature, and everyday usability helped attract buyers who had never seriously considered an electric vehicle before. The original Leaf used an electric motor, producing around 107 horsepower and approximately 187 pound-feet of torque. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 10 seconds, reach a top speed near 90 miles per hour, and weighed roughly 3,400 pounds. Those numbers weren't particularly exciting, but that wasn't why the Leaf mattered. What shocked the industry was the fact that Nissan successfully put a fully electric vehicle into driveways around the world, at a time when many competitors were still debating whether EVs had a future at all. The Leaf also provided valuable real-world data on battery performance, charging habits, and consumer adoption. That information helped accelerate electric vehicle development across the entire industry. The Nissan Leaf didn't change the automotive world through horsepower or top speed. It changed it by proving that electric cars could become part of everyday life. Everything changed once people realized electric cars could actually be exciting. 7. Chevrolet Bolt EV. Affordable electric cars weren't supposed to offer this much range. That's exactly why the Chevrolet Bolt EV caught the entire industry off guard. When many manufacturers were still treating EVs as premium products, Chevrolet introduced a practical electric hatchback capable of traveling significantly farther than most competitors in its price range. The Bolt proved that long-range electric driving didn't have to be reserved for luxury buyers. Its design focused on efficiency and everyday usability rather than dramatic styling, while the electric powertrain delivered a smooth and effortless driving experience. Power came from a single electric motor, producing around 200 horsepower and approximately 266 pound-feet of torque. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 6.5 seconds, reach a top speed near 93 miles per hour, and weighed roughly 3,600 pounds. What truly shocked the industry was the range. Suddenly, electric cars became a realistic option for a much larger group of consumers. The vehicle also demonstrated that established manufacturers could compete seriously in the EV space, rather than leaving the market entirely to newer companies. Its success encouraged competitors to accelerate their own affordable EV programs. The Chevrolet Bolt EV didn't dominate headlines with record-breaking speed. It shocked the industry by making long-range electric driving accessible to people who previously thought it was out of reach. If this surprised you, hit like, because the next EV forced luxury automakers to take electrification seriously. 6. Tesla Model 3. The real EV revolution didn't begin when electric cars became fast. It began when they became attainable. The Tesla Model 3 arrived with a mission far bigger than performance numbers or luxury features. Tesla wanted to bring electric vehicles to the mainstream market, and the Model 3 became the car that finally turned that vision into reality. Its design was intentionally simple. Clean body lines, a minimalist cabin, and a technology-focused interior helped create a vehicle that felt modern without looking overly futuristic. The massive central touchscreen and software-driven experience immediately separated it from traditional sedans. One of the most popular versions, the Model 3 Performance, uses a dual-motor electric powertrain, producing around 510 horsepower and approximately 546 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.1 seconds, reach a top speed near 162 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 4,050 pounds. What shocked the automotive industry wasn't just the performance, it was the scale. Demand exploded worldwide, proving that consumers were ready to embrace electric vehicles in numbers many experts never predicted. The Model 3 also forced established manufacturers to accelerate their EV programs. Companies that had been cautiously exploring electrification suddenly faced a vehicle that was selling faster than expected and attracting customers from traditional luxury brands. The Tesla Model 3 didn't simply become a successful electric car. It became the moment the entire industry realized the EV transition was no longer optional. 5. Rimac Nevera. For decades, people believed electric cars would always be slower, heavier, and less exciting than the world's best performance machines. The Rimac Nevera shattered that belief completely. When the Nevera arrived, It wasn't trying to compete with traditional hypercars on equal terms. It was introducing an entirely different level of performance, one powered by software, advanced battery technology, and electric motors capable of producing numbers that seemed almost impossible for a road car. Its sleek aerodynamic body looks futuristic. Rimac developed much of the vehicle's technology in-house, creating systems that pushed electric performance far beyond what most manufacturers thought achievable. Power comes from a quad-motor electric powertrain, producing around 1,914 horsepower and approximately 1,741 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 1.74 seconds, reach a top speed near 258 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 5,100 pounds. What shocked the automotive industry wasn't just the acceleration. It was the fact that a relatively small company from Croatia had created a machine capable of outperforming many of the world's most famous hypercars. Suddenly, electric technology wasn't simply catching up to combustion performance, it was surpassing it. The Nevera also demonstrated how software could become just as important as mechanical engineering. Advanced torque vectoring systems constantly manage power distribution. The Rimac Nevera didn't prove electric cars could compete with hypercars. It shocked the industry by proving they could rewrite the performance rulebook entirely. The industry pays attention when a sedan starts outperforming sports cars. 4. Lucid Air. Range anxiety was supposed to be one of the biggest obstacles facing electric vehicles. The Lucid Air arrived and made the problem look surprisingly outdated. When Lucid introduced the Air, many people expected another premium electric sedan trying to challenge Tesla. Instead, the company delivered a vehicle that shocked the industry with record-breaking efficiency, exceptional range, and technology that immediately attracted attention from competitors worldwide. Its sleek aerodynamic shape wasn't designed simply to look futuristic. Engineers carefully optimized every surface to reduce drag, helping the car travel farther on a single charge than many experts thought possible for a production EV. Uses a tri-motor electric powertrain, producing around 1,234 horsepower and approximately 1,430 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 1.9 seconds, reach a top speed near 205 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 5,300 pounds. What truly shocked the automotive industry was the efficiency. The Air demonstrated that an electric vehicle could offer luxury, incredible performance, and class-leading driving range without forcing customers to choose between them. As a result, the cabin remained spacious, while still delivering extraordinary real-world capability. The Lucid Air didn't surprise the industry because it was electric. It surprised the industry because it proved electric cars could outperform expectations in nearly every category at once. 3. Porsche Taycan. The Porsche Taycan forced them to reconsider. When Porsche entered the EV market, expectations were enormous. The company wasn't just building another electric sedan. It was trying to prove that electrification could preserve the performance, precision, and driver engagement that made Porsche famous. Its low-slung body, wide stance, and unmistakable Porsche styling immediately set it apart from many early EVs. Rather than looking like a technology experiment, the Taycan looked like a serious performance machine from the very beginning. One of the most impressive versions, the Taycan Turbo S, uses a dual-motor electric powertrain, producing up to 750 horsepower with launch control and approximately 774 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2.6 seconds, reach a top speed near 161 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 5,100 pounds. What shocked the automotive industry wasn't just the speed, it was the way the car handled. Many EVs excelled in straight-line acceleration, but the Taycan demonstrated that an electric vehicle could also deliver exceptional steering feel, balance, braking performance, and high-speed stability, allowing significantly faster charging than many competitors at the time. This technology helped reduce charging times and showed the industry what the next generation of EV platforms could achieve. The Taycan didn't surprise people because it was electric. It surprised them because it still felt unmistakably like a Porsche while embracing the future. Subscribe if you're enjoying this, because the next vehicle shocked the world in a completely different way. 2. Hyundai Ioniq 5. Not every car shocks the auto industry with extreme speed or record-breaking horsepower. Sometimes the biggest surprise comes from changing what people expect an electric car to be. When Hyundai unveiled the Ioniq 5, it immediately stood out from nearly everything else on the market. Its retro-futuristic design, advanced technology, and innovative platform made it feel like a concept car that somehow reached production without losing its originality. The sharp body lines, pixel-inspired lighting, flush door handles, and distinctive proportions gave the Ioniq 5 a look unlike any other EV at the time. While many competitors focused purely on efficiency, Hyundai proved that an electric vehicle could also have a unique personality and bold design identity. The Ioniq 5N uses a dual-motor electric powertrain, producing up to 641 horsepower, with N-Grin boost and approximately 568 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.2 seconds, reach a top speed near 162 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 4,850 pounds. What truly shocked the industry was Hyundai's advanced 800-volt electrical architecture, which enabled ultra-fast charging speeds usually found in far more expensive vehicles. The technology allowed drivers to recover significant range in a remarkably short amount of time, raising expectations across the EV market. The spacious interior, flat floor design, and innovative features also demonstrated how dedicated EV platforms could create new possibilities for comfort and practicality. Many manufacturers quickly realized customers wanted more than just electric power. They wanted better overall vehicle design. The Hyundai Ioniq 5 didn't just prove that Hyundai could build a great EV. It shocked the industry by showing that innovation, affordability, technology, and style could all exist in the same package. Sometimes the biggest revolution isn't speed, it's accessibility. 1. GMC Hummer EV. The idea sounded ridiculous from the beginning. Take one of America's most fuel-hungry vehicle names and turn it into an electric vehicle. Then make it one of the most powerful trucks ever built. When GMC revealed the Hummer EV, it shocked the automotive industry because it completely changed expectations about what an electric truck could be. Instead of focusing only on efficiency, GMC built a massive off-road machine packed with technology, performance, and capabilities. The huge stance, aggressive proportions, illuminated front grille, and futuristic details made it look like a military vehicle redesigned for the next century. Nothing about it appeared subtle or conservative. The Hummer EV Pickup Edition 1 uses a tri-motor electric powertrain, producing around 1,000 horsepower and approximately 1,200 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.0 seconds, reach a top speed near 106 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 9,000 pounds. What truly stunned the industry was the combination of size and performance. Vehicles this heavy simply weren't supposed to accelerate this quickly. Yet the Hummer EV launched with enough force to embarrass many sports cars despite weighing nearly twice as much. GMC also introduced advanced features such as crab walk, allowing all four wheels to turn in the same direction for diagonal movement, and adaptive air suspension capable of raising the truck for extreme off-road conditions. These innovations showed how electric platforms could unlock entirely new capabilities. The Hummer EV didn't shock the auto industry because it was electric. Looking back, it's clear these vehicles did far more than introduce new technology. They changed expectations, influenced competitors, and accelerated the global shift toward electrification. Whether through innovation, performance, practicality, or pure surprise, each one left a lasting impact on the automotive world. Tell me which EV shocked you the most. Hit like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more content like this.